Hi, I'm Fiona. I'm a mum to our little toddler Arlo. I'm a full-time supply chain manager and I'm a content creator. I am so excited to start our bathroom renovation with Bathshack. We love to support locals, so I'm so excited for this collaboration. We live in a Victorian semi-detached house in the centre of Belfast. We are in the middle of doing a renovation by adding a single floor extension, and our main family bathroom is the last stage of that. And once it's done, we're going to be able to move back into the house, and we're so excited. With a family bathroom, we need it to be practical and multi-purpose. So we need to have nightly baths for our toddler, but I also want it as a space to unwind in the evening and have a little bit of me time. We wanted a classic style with contemporary fixtures and fittings. So we chose warm wood tones to bring out a natural element in the bathroom and complemented that with black fittings such as our tap, our lighting and our shower. I chose those tones so that in the evening when I wanted a little bit of me time, I can have relaxation with ambient lighting and have a little bit of undisturbed peace. We have chosen Pergo flooring because it's easy to install, waterproof and highly durable. For our walls, we chose Metro tiles, which not only look great, but they're also easy clean. Check out part 2 for our finished bathroom look from Bathshack.